Ni hindi ya gikaro kia ngwataniro ya ATARI mathabu ya ICPAK kuria ndereti ya ubaciriri wa kigina kia muingi eyumiritie undu uria urehetwo ni wici mukiruku wa kura gwa kigina kia muingi uheani-ini wa kandarathi cia thirikari hari o mwaka. GIIKAROINI giki MUTAMBO mweru wa IGP uria wendekithitio ni ministry ya kigina hari kunyorotha mutaratara wa uheani wa kandarathi ciothe cia thirikari ukinyitwo mbaru ta MUTAMBO gikinyaniria muthia wa migendere ya THIRIKARIINI na aheani ya kandarathi cia thirikari na njira ya ungumania.
Where even tender committees used to agree among themselves, this thing will now be computerized. And that's why I say for me it is a very good system. Issues of families registering companies and doing business with their own organizations is taken care of there because it's an integrated system. It has integrated with KRA, it is integrated with the Business Registration Center, so we can know who is the owner of this company.
For us to save the country, we cannot do that as ICPAK alone. We have to hold hands. It must be a multi-agency.
Kuringana na muikarĩri wa kamiti ya KUHURANA na ungumania Bishop David Oginde, bũrũri ũkirie gũkinyũkia ikinya rĩa bata na mũtambo ũyũ na nĩkĩo ũrareganwo naguo nĩ ungumania kandarathi cia mũingĩ makĩgeria kũgirĩrĩria gũkinyanĩrio kwaguo.
If it works the way it's supposed to work, for us we are very excited about it because this will be one way of detecting. A lot of resources get lost in the procurement system. A lot of our work actually has to do with procurement. And so the way this system has been designed, we trust that it will give us a way through which we can detect and know what is happening where and how.
MUTAMBO uyu gatũgĩrio ta njĩra ya kũhingũrĩra Kenya na onjoria mweke wa kũrutithania wĩra na thirikari. Rĩu thirikari onayo ĩkĩgunĩka na kũranwo na onjoria arĩa mamendagĩria indo na motungata na goro.
If what was said actually happens, this is actually a very good system that is going to help us to seal some of the loopholes. You ask, for example, Senator, pricing. Pricing is now going to be in the EGP. So that we don't have this chair, one office buying it for 20,000, another office buying it for 100,000, another office buying it for 200,000.
Actually looking at the reports that have been generated by the audit committee and the reports that are published by the auditor general, they are very similar, meaning that if the tone at the top could actually listen and implement those reports, this follows what Fred has said, we'll have very minimal of some of these issues.
GIIKAROINI giki ngwataniro ya ICPAK nĩ rutĩte mũkana kũrĩ kambuni na honge cia thirikari ingĩkorwo ikĩhe wĩra ATARI ya mathabu matakinyanĩrie ikĩro arĩa marakuruhanio na kwaga ũtaũku na ũhoti wa gũkinyanĩria mathabu ma mũingĩ na ũma.
Can the offices that are supposed to be held by accountants be held by accountants? If we are dealing with quacks, we will actually be doing guesswork in the space of the profession, and whenever you are dealing with guesswork, every other decisions will be around guesswork.
Hadi nyaka TV letoroko ni bataru wa Mwagi.